The great news is that the Linea Airdrop is coming. We know the allocation, the tokenomics, which we're gonna be looking at in this video, and also very important things about the claiming. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. As we see here, which you've probably seen already, 85% will go to the ecosystem and 10% will go to early contributor. This means airdrop. Now, in my opinion, a little bit too less. Early users should have received between 15 and 20% because we've waited for so long on this protocol. We utilize it, we spend a lot of fees, and as of right now, it's looking like a lot of people will, one, not be eligible for the airdrop, even though you utilize Linea, and two, you will receive peanuts compared to the fees that you have spent. And let me know your idea down below. But it is 10%. So 10%, as we see over here, it will be a culmination of different things which we see online quite a lot, but it's going to be happening soon. And the Linea Airdrop, now the checker potentially could come within the next day. The claiming, now that I have your attention, and yes, we're gonna be claiming an airdrop in this video, not the Linea one, and the claiming is not live yet. So please, this is one of the most talked about airdrop out there. So if you see anything in the comments, claim here or on Twitter that is not from from a page like this one, for example, or any other pages, if it's not from the linea.eth or any other Linea ecosystem pages, please do not click on it because they will be scam. So just remember this one. But the claiming will happen early in this summer. We are going to have the checker very soon because the TG and the checker will come after the economics, to the tokenomics, which we see it. And as we see right now, it is trending at $2, $2.7 billion. One platform that will have it is going to be Coinflare, and Coinflare will list Linea. So as we see here, if you join now, you get a 50% trading bonus. So what does it mean? Well, when you make your first deposit of $50, you get $100 for free. So make sure to go and deposit your money, 50 or more dollars, start trading, you get $100 for free to trade. So make sure to deposit, make sure to do your first trading, get the bonus, and get going on it. Make sure to make some money with this promotion because it's not gonna last long. It's only limited to the first 20 people. So make sure to go and join, or believe it is 50. I'll try to push it to 50, but make sure to go and get, simply deposit 50, get 2x what you deposit. Deposit 50, get $100. It is absolutely amazing. You also got some activation tasks after you're gone and trading, which you made volume. If you make 30,000 USDT volume, then you do have a $10 bonus, 150 you get $40, 750 you get $200 bonus, and so on. So the more you trade, the more free money you get. Make sure to go and join Coinflare, and here's the register now button. Make sure to go and do it. The link will be down below, and they will go and have the Linea token once it goes live. Now it's trading at $2.7 billion market cap with a 161k in volume. Now this is not the official, this is no exchange, this is like a pre-market situation, which we can take it with a bit of salt and a bit of, in a situation where we are going to have way more than this, I do believe. By the way, nice tokenomics, 20% goes and burn. If when you go and buy or trade Linea, 20% of the fees will go and get burned on Ethereum, 80% will go and buy back the Linea token and burn the Linea token as well. So you do understand that it is a very nice, it is a big supply. I don't know why they made so big of a supply. It is a total of 72 billion Linea token with an initial supply of 22%. And an airdrop of 9%, which we see right here. It is going to be fully unlocked at TGE, which means there is no vesting. You don't need to wait. You can keep or sell on the day of claiming. So very interesting. Eligibility for the airdrop will be based on a range of activities, including LXPs and on-chain metrics. Talking about the airdrop that we can go and claim, it is the IKA. The IKA airdrop claim is now live, but there's a 0.0064 SUI penalty for the IKA claim. So claiming 1000 IKA costs about 6.4 SUI, which is more than the airdrop, which is a little bit of a badly organized airdrop. So they kind of don't want it to go and claim, or if they do want to go and claim, they want it to basically lose some money. Anyway, I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go and claim it. Make sure to go and check it. And please be careful on everything that it is Linea related at this current time. But with that said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.